Namaste, this is Nisha Thakur here, and in this series, I'm telling about equations, how to solve equations. And in last video, we learned about linear equation. So in this video, we will learn about quadratic equation, but quadratic equation we can solve by many methods. So today, we will solve by factoring method and simple type of quadratic equations. So let's begin. So quadratic equations, it means second degree equations. So variables highest power is 2. Here highest exponent is 2. So a quadratic equation general form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And a, b, c are real numbers with a not equal to 0. Why a not equal to 0? Because if a equal to 0, this term is 0, and this will be linear equation, not quadratic equation, because then x to the power 1, highest power is 1. So it will be not a quadratic equation, it will be linear equation. And these are the examples of quadratic equations. And now we can solve quadratic equation by factoring method. So in factoring method, first we have to remember all these things shift to left hand side, and then you can make equal to 0. So here subtract 24, because we don't want here anything, we want to make equal to 0. So x square plus 5x minus 24 equal to 0. And okay, so this is quadratic equation. And what is here product? Product is negative 24 and sum is 5. So we want two numbers which product is negative 24 and sum is 5. So 3 and 8, because their multiplication is 24 and their difference is 5. So a negative product, it means different sign, and sum is positive, it means larger number positive. So negative 3 and positive 8, we got two numbers. So we can easily write x minus 3 x plus 8. Okay, so here we use a zero product property. It means a b equal to 0 if and only if a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. This property we will use here. And so we can imagine, we can check this, or we can compare this. X minus 3 we can compare with a, and x plus 8 is b. So x minus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 8 equal to 0. So here we can add 3 both sides, so x value is 3, or here subtract 8, so x value is minus 8. Okay, but we can check our answers are correct or not. So we can substitute these, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 8 here. So x square, it means 3 square plus 5, x value 3, and we can check we get 24 or not. 3 square is 9, 5 times 3 15, and 9 plus 15, yes, 24. So this is our answer. This is our solution. Okay, minus 8 square plus 5 multiply minus 8. Okay, minus 8 square 64 and 5 times minus 8 minus 40. 64 minus 40 is 24. So yes, we got this one. So this is our solution. So our both answers are correct and they satisfy this quadratic equation. Okay, so now here solving a simple quadratic equation. So the solution of the equations, if you give question in this form x square equals c, so we get answer square root c and minus square root c. So we can compare this equation with this one. Okay, so taking both side square root, but here plus and minus, because whenever we take a square root we get value in positive and negative. Okay, so this is x equal, because square root and square will be cancelled, so just answer plus minus square root 5. So here we got two values, one is positive and another one is negative. Okay, let's do this next question. So here also squares, so we don't want, so how to remove? Taking both side square root and taking both side square root, so here write plus and minus. Okay, so now here x minus 4, because square root and square cancel, and here we can write this. Okay, but we want x value, so minus 4 shift right side, here minus 4, so other side positive 4, or we can say both side add 4. So our final answer is 4 plus minus square root 5. So our first answer is 4 minus square root 5 and second answer is 4 plus square root 5. These are the solutions. So remember one more thing, quadratic equation, their highest power is 2, so we get two answers. Okay, maybe same or maybe not same, but we get two answers. In linear equation we get one answer because their highest power is 1. In quadratic equation highest power is 2, so we get two answer. Always remember this thing. Okay, okay, if you have any doubt please ask me, and if you liked my video and my teaching way, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye, have a nice time.